Consider a box with 4 blue pens and 3 red pens. The sample space is 7 pens. A pen is picked at random and its color is noted. Either a red pen can be picked and the probability will be 3 out of 7 since all red pens have equal chance of being picked, or a blue pen can be picked and the probability will be 4 out of 7 since all blue pens have equal chance of being picked. This pen is not pressed back in the box, implying that in the second picking the sample space will reduce by 1. A second pen is then picked and its color is noted. Note that if a red pen was picked first, then the probability of picking a red pen second is 2 out of 6, and picking a blue pen is 4 out of 6. Alternatively, if a blue pen was picked first, then probability of picking a red pen second is 3 out of 6 and a blue pen is 3 out of 6. Therefore, the outcome of picking a red pen second is either picking red first and red second, or blue first and red second. The probability of picking a red first and a red pen second is 3 out of 7 and 2 out of 6. We multiply the probabilities because of the word "and", since it is red and red. These events are also called independent events, since picking the first color does not stop the picking of the second color. Then the probability of picking a blue pen first and a red pen second will be 4 out of 7 times 3 out of 6. This implies that the probability of picking a red pen second would be 3 out of 7 times 2 out of 6 plus 4 out of 7 times 3 out of 6. On summing up, it yields 3 out of 7.